Drawing time! Children, let's draw everybody's favorite burger. We all love burgers so much. Yum! Let's draw the bun. Oh, so excited. Let's draw the lettuce. Oh, look at this little boy. He's so cute. He was eating so cutely. And he's waiting to eat our burger. Let's draw the cheese. Let's make the patty. This is the base. Let's draw eyes. Oh, he's winking at us. So cute. Let's smile and blush. Oh, so cute. Let's color its eyes black. Oh, let's color the bun in a lighter shade of brown. This burger is so cute, isn't it, children? Would you please make your burger quick and share with me also? I want to eat the burger you're making. I'm feeling so hungry. Let's quickly finish. Children, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Let me tell you a short rhyme on burger. Burger on the grill, sizzling and hot, topped with cheese, lettuce and a lot. A tasty delight. In a bun, it's snug, juicy and delicious. That's my burger hug. Look at this little boy, so excited to have the burger you're making. And here we finish the bun. Let's color its base. Children, watch this video till the end. You'll find a lot of cute things in this video. Alright, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel for such awesome videos. Here we are done with its base also. Let's color the yummy lettuce. Oh, this lettuce has come as friend. Love this lettuce. You know, lettuce is very good for our health. Children, you all should have lots of salads. Carefully color the lettuce. My cute little children. I love you all. Please share the video with your friends also. Okay? You can click on the share button and send it to your friends or your relatives, your cousins, whoever you want them to watch this. Now we are coloring the cheese with yellow. The lettuce is of green color. Say the color green. Green. Yes. Say the color yellow. Yellow. Now it's time to color the patty in color brown. Say brown. Yes, brown. Perfect. The patty tastes so yummy, right? Oh, the chef loves it. Wow. Your burger will also be loved by the chef. So excited. Children, we are about to get done with this. I'll see you in the next video. I love you all. Please like and subscribe my channel. Oh, we have to color the blush. So cute. She's so cute. She's finding it cute. Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you. Like and subscribe. Have your burger. Enjoy.